So when it comes to choice, you deserve to be spoiled. Just like in cooking, having a variety of options in your creative business can take your work from bland to brilliant. Hello there, my fellow freelancer and food-obsessed creative. It's so nice to meet you. In case we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Jazz, pricing queen for freelancers, and if all goes planned in this recipe for success, I'm going to be the reason that you make more money as a freelance creative in at least one of the 3 ways that we're going to explore in this video. I know, bold, but we love bold flavors. After nearly 15 years in the creative industry, working in everything from real estate marketing to retirement living advertising, luxury global brands to the grocer down the road, I think I can safely say that I have seen a lot when it comes to business that needs genius that only a freelance creative can serve. So, as creatives, we know that our work is not just our job. It's our passion. We pour our hearts and our souls into every project we take on, striving to create something beautiful and unique. But being a creative freelancer comes with its own set of challenges, right? We have to manage our time, balance multiple projects, handle client demands, and everything else that comes with running a freelance business. It can be a lot to handle, but fear not, because I'm here to help you navigate these challenges and take your creative career to the next level. Let's first talk about the first way I can help. Pricing. As creative freelancers, we often struggle with pricing our services. It can be difficult to put a dollar value on our work, especially when we're passionate about what we do. But setting the right price is crucial to be making a living and a long, sustainable term living. That's why I've created the free pricing calculator that takes into account your expenses, your taxes, your desired outcome, and helps you set a price that's reasonable and fair for you. With this lovingly baked tool, you'll feel confident that you are charging what you are valued at and not underselling yourself. If you want to access the pricing calculator, head here. Next, let's talk about continuous learning and development. The creative industry is constantly evolving, and staying on top of the latest strategies, best practices, and creative ways to run a business is key to standing out in the market. That's why I offer a variety of resources here in the Creative Business Kitchen, including masterclasses, ebooks, blog posts, mini guides, and plenty more that cover a range of topics like marketing, branding, even client management. These resources are designed to provide practical advice and actionable tips that you can implement in your business right away. By investing in your skills and knowledge, you'll be able to be better equipped to take on the challenges that come your way. And this I know for sure. So if you want to access any of that, head here. Hold for effect. Okay, but sometimes we need more than just a tool or a resource. We need personalized advice and support to help us overcome our specific challenges and achieve our goals. That's where coaching comes in, and I offer it in a variety of flavors. So as your coach, I will work with you to work out your strengths and your weaknesses, set achievable goals, and create a meal plan of action to actually reach them. Now, whether you need a 90-minute noodle session to work through a particular challenge that you're chewing on, or prefer one-on-one coaching long-term with 4 months of ongoing support, or maybe you're just interested in a group setting with my master freelancer or as part of the Freelancers Pantry, I'm here to provide the guidance and accountability you need to succeed. As creatives, we both understand that our work is more than just our job. It's a reflection of who we are and what we stand for. That's why it's super important to take care of ourselves and our businesses to ensure that we can continue to do what we love for years to come. With my help, you'll be able to tackle the challenges of being a creative freelancer with confidence and ease. So let's pop the bubbly, toast to our creative journey, or the first steps in our creative journey together, and let's both create something that feeds not only your creative soul, but brings home the bacon. Cheers. And I look forward to finding out what your freelance flavor of success is.